gray, cold, 41 degrees. Wind is blowing 14 miles an hour, but I need to bike. I need time in the saddle. Wind chill is like 33 degrees. That's right at 0 degrees Celsius for you people who operate in centigrade. But we got to get some bike time in, so let's do some riding.
But nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella when rain stops hitting town. On a bad day.
It's a fire training area where they train firemen. Burned out car where they practice. It's pretty cool.
I don't need no sunshine. You keep me going strong. I just need my happy face to keep me moving on.
I'm on your left. So this trail pops out at a park called Cosmo Park, and there's a skateboard park right here. So the cool thing about this park is they have these trails in the park as well, paved. It's a loop, so you can get some miles on that, and then turn around and go right back down that trail that we just came up again.
Who I am. No one ever stopped me, not even Uncle Sam. Life might be a struggle, life might be a fight, but I am here to show the world that I can make it right. On a bad day, on a good day, on a bad day, rain keeps raining.
Any of you guys lose your recliner? If you did, it's here on the trail, along with the love seat. This is the end of the trail. Back to the neighborhood. .3 miles at a 10.2 mile per hour pace, so not bad. So one of the things I've done is, as you can see, I've got the panniers on there, and I'm starting to put my gear back in there to get some more weight on the bike. I've still got weight in the frame bag as well, so we're starting to load some stuff up. The next thing that'll go on there for weight that we'll begin to pedal with is this handlebar bag. Has the tent in it and miscellaneous things on the front, so I'll get that on there next so I can begin to ride with the actual weight and work my way up. Anyway, it was cold out there, it really was, but it took me about 5 miles to really get kind of warmed up, but after that it went okay, felt good, so making progress. Thanks for going on a ride with me. Catch you again soon.